Good morning, students. We will learn how to calculate interest on capital. Question is this: A, B, and C started business on 1/4 1st April 19 with rupees 2 lakh, 1 lakh, and 50,000 respectively. Means A's capital is 2 lakh, B's capital is 1 lakh, C's capital is 50,000 on 1st April 19. Then A introduced additional capital on 1st October 19 with rupees 50,000 and withdrew rupees 20,000 on 1st January 20. Then B withdrew capital on 1st September 19 rupees 30,000 and 1st December 19 20,000. C introduced additional capital rupees 10,000 on 1st July 19 and 1st October 19 rupees 20,000. Calculate interest on capital. Interest rate is equal to 10%. Okay. Then year and on 31st March 2020. Then we will calculate for interest on capital. First of all, A's capital 2 lakh which is on 1st April यानी कि ईयर के स्टार्टिंग में, अकाउंटिंग ईयर के स्टार्टिंग में. देन 2 लाख पे जो इंटरेस्ट ऑन 2 लाख विल बी होल ईयर. इट मीन्स 12 months फ्रॉम 1st April 19 to year and on 31st March 2020 it will become 12 months. Then first 2 lakh into 10% upon 100 is equal to 20,000. Clear है? Then A introduced additional capital on 1st October 19 with rupees 50,000. Additional capital, extra capital which is on 1st October to 31st March. How many months? October, November, December, January, February, March. How many months? 6 months. Then second interest 50,000 into 10% into 6 upon 12. 6 months का interest. Is equal to 2,500. Clear? Then A withdrew 20,000 on 1st January 20. Withdrawing की है, कैपिटल नहीं इंट्रोड्यूस्ड की है. Then withdrew it means drawing. Interest on drawing will be subtracted from interest on capital. Drawing is equal to 20,000 and 1st January 20. January, February and March 3 months into interest rate 10% into 3 upon 12 is equals to 500 rupees. ये 500 minus the net interest on capital 22,000 of A. Clear? Then B. B's capital 1 lakh for whole year. First 1 lakh into 10 upon 100 is equals to 10,000. Then B withdrew capital on 1st September 30,000 and 1st December 20,000. First September, October, November, December, January, February, March 7 months. Then less withdrew है तो less तो 30,000 into 10% into 7 upon 12. Zero, 1750 will be subtracted. Then also withdraw one more withdrawal, drawing 20,000 on 1st December. December, January, February, March, 4 months. 20,000 into 10% into 4 upon 12. 666 approximately 667. Both amounts will be subtracted from 10,000. B's interest on capital is equal to 7583. Clear? Then after this, C's capital 50,000 opening capital, then introduced additional capital 10,000 on 1st July. Then 50,000 into 10% is equal to 5,000. Then additional capital on 1st July 10,000 and 1st October also additional capital 20,000. 1st July to year end which is on 1st July to year end which is on 31st March. Then July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, which is 9 months into 10 upon 100 into 9 upon 12. 1st October, it will be 6 months. Is equals to 750 1,000 is equal to 750 is equal to 1,000. Total interest on capital of C 6750. This is interest on capital. It is clear? Is this interest on capital? Thank you.